Hello everybody. Hey beauty connoisseurs. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, welcome to the channel. Also, if this is your first time here, would you please consider going ahead and hitting the red subscription button down below. Also click on the notification bell so that you will always know when we upload a new video. I would love for you to become a part of the Beauty Connoisseur family. Now, if you're interested in this wig that I'm wearing, it is a half wig by Outre, and her name is Amber, and I'll leave the information card for her right up here. So today is Wonderful Wig Wednesday. Yay! And I'm very, very excited because I usually don't jump on the trends, but I have been seeing reviews of the infamous Kamiyah by Outre, and I just had to have her. And I got her in the color DRFF2 Cinnamon Mocha. And I saw this on Still Looking Good 58. And it just looks so pretty on her. She's the one that really inspired me to get this wig. I had been seeing it on other people, but I was like, you know, I just don't like to jump on the trends. But when I saw it on her, sometimes you just see a wig on a certain person and it just like, oh my God, it just kind of makes your heart pitter patter. And that's what it did. So this is what she looks like. I just love the face frame and color. It's so fall appropriate. And of course, y'all been seeing the reviews with this long lace looking like a veil. Oh my God, I don't know why they put all this lace on this wig, but anyway, you have your one comb in the back, the two at the front, and you have this adjustable band, and this is supposed to be the melted hairline. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go off camera and spray the perimeter and melt it down so that you can get the full effect. And I just don't want the video to be too long, so I'll do that off camera and then I'll come back and let you see the final results. All right, I decided I wanted to pop in real quick just so you can see how it looks before I melt it down. And here's the lace. It's a little bit light, so I'm going to tint it or put some foundation on it or something. The ear tabs kind of go over where they need to be, so I'll probably cut some of that. But anyway, look at the hairline. I mean, it's gorgeous. It's just impeccable. And let's brush it a little bit so you can kind of get the effect before I go and melt it down. It's just so pretty. It's long. I want to say 24 inches probably. It's a nice density. It's not too thin and it's not too thick. Even though it's a little thicker than what I normally like, but I still like it. It comes all the way down to my hips, and I'm 4'11". I got a tiptoe so y'all can get that in frame. But it's beautiful, just a beautiful unit. Let me tell y'all, this is one of the prettiest wigs I've come across in a long time. You know, for a while there, I was really getting uninspired with what they were coming out with, except for Outre. They seem to be pulling it out of the box every time. But this hairline Look at that. And it really did melt. I got the lace to blend. I used this Wig Dealer lace blending tint, and I also used the Wig Dealer melting spray, and you can find them on Instagram. Just put in the Wig Dealer. They're Black owned, and I even bought a human hair wig from them, and I'll leave the information card for their review right up there. It's very natural looking. It was pre-plucked. They do everything for you. But anyway, back to this one. I just love the subtle layers in it. It's just perfect. And I normally don't care for a middle part, but I like this in a middle part. And you can also do a flip over. You know, how sexy is that? Just so cute. Love the face framing color. And I only got this much shedding, and I cut the lace really close because the hairline was just so fine, and it was just, oh my god, I just love it. Love. I mean, it's just flawless. There's nothing that no cons. It's the perfect sheen. It's not too shiny. I can't find any cons. The only thing I could say is it's a little bit longer than what I normally like to wear. I normally like to stay in the 16-inch range, but with this, it's so pretty. I don't even care. I mean, let me just put on my sunnies so y'all can go. Because I'll be just looking at this all day. These aren't really sunnies, but they're just kind of a ornament. And I got these from wish.com, and they were maybe $6 or $7. So that's just, you know, really for picture taking. So let's put on some real sunnies. So I hope y'all like this video. I didn't want to make it too long, so I did a lot of stuff off camera. You know, you've seen somebody melt a hairline down 100 times using holding spray. So yeah, just thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and share. If you haven't already hit the subscription button, go ahead and do that on your way out. And thanks always for watching. Bye. See you next time.